rooftop, skyline in my eyes. Fortune close, but struggle never lies. Money don't erase nights that chill my spine. Every rhyme I spit, every bar's mine. Pour some liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph haunted, every night I pressed on. Crown heavy, still I move strong. Concrete kings and queens, our legacy lives long. Hustle and heart, the code we live by. Dreams in the city where weakness say goodbye. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Streets remember, we never die. The streets speak, the shadows watch. Every struggle shows.
Okay, hi my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Hope we are doing great. Hope we are doing amazing. How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? Let me see you. Let me see you. Let me see you. Dive into our daily sessions. So let me see you come through. You're all most welcome. You're all most welcome. Happy to have you around. Let us dive straight into it.
Yeah.
And we see what today has for us. So, right. No wasting time at all. No wasting time at all. Thank you guys for coming through. Okay, ready into it. I'm through. I'm seeing my beautiful people are already checking in. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. So definitely let's proceed. Let us continue with our session.
Shadow the spotlight, now my legacy's high.
Empire blocks, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet made us rulers of the city. Undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be. Yeah, undefeated be, undefeated be, undefeated be.
Yeah. Avenues echo with the ghosts of the past. Graffiti walls whisper memories that last. Some made it out, some shadows never cast. Every move calculated, every rhyme built to blast. Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest. Losses taught lessons.
Have you around, so definitely let us dive straight into it and we see how today is going to go about. It's a beautiful day. We are still fresh. We are still fresh into the session. Okay, no time to waste at all. Happy to have you guys. Happy to have you guys. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining me over here. All right.
Rooftops view, skyline.
That is Langa. Oh, okay, all the way from Swaziland. I see you. I see you. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing.
Press on, crown
Okay.
heavy. Yet I move strong. Empire blocks whisper our legacy lives long. Hustle and hard, code I live by. Dreams in the city where weak men die. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Empire blocks, remember, we never die.
Okay, so good to have you around. Fun to go. Hey, how are you? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you around. So excited to be with you guys for yet another session. So without wasting any time, let us dive straight into it. All right. No time to waste. That is Brian Obama over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. The day is still young, so come through. Come through, guys. I'm also happy to have you around. Happy to see you come through. Okay, so here we are, Silver OTC. 400 US dollars, 15 seconds. That is for our expiration, and still the same for the chart time frame. So let us get into it. Let us watch our markets. Then we catch some amazing moves over here. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. Happy to see you join Yoga Lena over here. So let us take it from the very first second to the very last one. Let's go. Come through, guys. I would love to know how you are doing, how everything is going, how is your day going. Over here, mine is so full of life. I'm so excited to be here, guys, and I'm definitely so happy to see you join in. Okay, beautiful. There we have a plus. And as you can see over here, we are having an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. When we talk about an uptrend, of course, you and me by now, we know that I'm using a pure price action. So when we talk about a trend, we are either talking about an uptrend, a downtrend, or sideways. So when we talk about an uptrend, when we talk about pure price action, definitely we are looking at market direction, which I've mentioned. We are either in an uptrend, a downtrend, or sideways. Then there we also have market structure. With market structure, that is when we look at the higher highs and the higher lows. All right. Okay, so definitely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, here. Are we breaking below? Okay. That is Roby. I think it's okay. Roby Islam. Okay. Hi, how are you? Hope you are okay. Happy to have you around. Happy to see you guys join in. Let us get started. We are officially getting started. Okay. So let's take it from the very beginning to the end. Come through, watch the market with me. Let's see what we can get out of it for the day. All right.
Brooklyn nights, concrete lights. Stories written in the smoke, you feel me?
Come through, send in your questions. Let me know what you need to know. Let me know what you need to know. Let's see how we move together to the greater heights. This session is not only for me, but it's for us, you and me. Okay, so whenever we come here, one thing you should have at the back of your mind is total learning, complete. It is an educational session, so feel free. Whenever you see Lena over here, just know we are here to learn, to improve ourselves, to equip ourselves with the different ways of trading, such that we can better our tradings. Okay, so please keep coming through. Let me know what you would love to know over there as we proceed. Okay, that is beautiful. We get a plus over there. It's always so amazing when you are trading and then you close in a plus. Okay. We know that we as traders, we take it slow, but definitely we are so serious about it. Okay. Let me see you guys. Let me see you guys come through. Okay. All right. That is Godwin in the building. Hi, Godwin. How are you doing? Let me hope you are okay. Thank you for coming through. I feel so happy whenever I see you guys here. Jerome in the building. Hi, Jerome. How are you doing? Happy to always see you guys here. Okay, Jerome, we are doing great. That is so amazing. Let me tell you guys, whenever I come here and you guys come through, you chat with me, we get to know a few things here and there in trading. The fact that we are improving ourselves, the fact that we are talking a lot about trading, it makes me feel so happy. It gets me fulfilled. So do not hesitate, keep coming through. Shoot in any questions that you have about trading, and definitely let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where you are watching from. So, with that, let us proceed watching the market together. You can as well come through and let me know what do you think? What do you think about today? About today's market? Okay, that is Greco over there. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Joe is in the building. Let us sell here. All right. Okay. All right. It's a beautiful Thursday. It's a beautiful Thursday. How is your day going there? Or how has it been so far? Let me know. Let me know. Guys, fill me in. Fill me in. I would love to know how you are doing, how your day is going. When we come to the section of trading, how has your day been in your trading world? How has it been? Have you carried out some trading today? Have you looked at your chats? Let me know. And then we're closing our plus. Okay. That is a beautiful buy momentum over there. So let us keep it going. Guys, let me hear from you. Where are we? Where are we? Let me hear from you. Have you carried out any trading today? Have you carried, sorry about that. Have you carried out any trading today? So definitely we are in a trend continuation. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Right. In an uptrend, like I said, we always look at higher highs and higher lows, right? And how to know that we are still going to proceed in that particular trend. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed, guys. Let's proceed. I would love to hear from you. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Let me hear from you. How is your day going? On my end here, I'm here watching the charts. Okay. I'm here watching the charts and definitely catching some beautiful entries so far. So far, so good. Over. That is Muhammad. Okay. Hi, how you doing? Hope you are okay. Happy to have you around all the way from Vienna. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for representing those amazing people over here. So, this is our time of trading traders over here. Let me hear from you. Let me hear from you. How are you doing? How is your day going? And definitely, where are you watching from? Let's go. Okay, so let us see what we are getting from this buy position over here. Come through, guys. Come through, guys. I want to hear from you. And then we have closed in a plus. Let's go. Let me hear from you guys. Let me hear from you. All right. No worries. That is at 3 p.m., just a few minutes into our trading time. So come through, let me hear from you. Okay, for the people in the comment section, greetings to you. How are you doing? Hope you are doing amazing. And definitely let me hope your day has been beautiful, and let me hope the week is going on well, because on my end it is going on well. So let me hear from you. That is a buy position for us. Let's see. When we are trading, we always we always look at a few things. That is beautiful. We always look at a few things. That is, what direction are we taking? That we are talking about the market direction, all right? Are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? For someone who is going to trade in a sideway, for someone who is just beginning, because you are not so sure about how to read the candlestick behaviors in that particular moment, it would be good not to take trades over there. But for someone who has been in the market for some time, why not? If we are in arranging direction and you know exactly what to do, go for it. All right. Then also, as we are having it right now, okay, so we are in an uptrend, and whenever we have, okay, in an uptrend, we look at the higher highs, the higher lows, and then we definitely get a pullback. Okay, when we experience a pullback, definitely for someone who knows how to trade with a pullback, why not execute at that point? But if you are a beginner and you do not know exactly how to go about it, please, you can let it pass. And in trading, if we are trading and you find yourself in a situation where you do not understand exactly what is going on, it's very okay to let it go, because there are always moves that you will catch that are very clear to you. If something is unclear, let it go until you are sure about it. what exactly is going on, what exactly is happening for you to place in a trade. All right. Okay. That is Glizzy. Hi, Glizzy. How are you doing? How you doing? Hope you are okay. Tosin, hi, how are you? Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. That is Elvias. Hope you're okay. Thank you for coming through. Blessing in the building. Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. All right. That is Zhang Service. That is Peter all the way from Burkina Faso. Hi, how are you, my dear? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay. All right. There we have Enoch. Okay, Seren. Just 1 second. Okay, so that is
Concrete prayers, champagne wishes. We build beauty out of struggle.
let me see.
You feel me? Let's go.
Born in the belly where the sirens sung symphonies. Dreams die early, loyalties the epiphany. Mama scrubbed floors, daddy lost in the system. I learned quick, nobody ever gon' miss him. Hunger in my veins, pocket full of hope. Young shorty on the corner, learning how to cope. Dice roll slow, that's the rhythm of fate. Every move I make could seal or escape. Same hallways, where the whispers turn deadly.
Okay, something just happened here. Okay, here we are.
Concrete roses, they bloom in rain. Still I shine when they call my name. Ain't nothing changed, I remain the same. Apple through the cracks, yeah, I rose from pain. Concrete roses, they bloom in rain. Still I shine when they call my name. Ain't nothing changed, I remain the same.
Now I'm cruising through the city with a scarred ambition. Same hunger, but the plate's got a new addition. Used to plot on a dream, now I lit a revision. But success tastes bitter when you starve in the mission. Every friend ain't real, some fade like chalk. When the money start talking, loyalty walks. I done seen homies die for the things they chase. See mothers cry, tears carve their face. But I never fold, so dipped in resilience. Pain and abundance, flow magnificent brilliance. I'm the echo of the block that raised the illest from the grave of the broke. Now I'm one of the realest.
Apple through the cracks, yeah, I rose from pain. Concrete roses, they bloom in rain. Still I shine when they call my name. Ain't nothing changed, I remain the same. Apple through the cracks, yeah, I rose from
Just 1 second. 1 second, just.
Still I shine when they call my name. Ain't nothing changed, I remain the same.
Now the limelight bright, but the shadow follow. Success wide open, but the night still hollow. I sip from the bottle, memory swallow. Every choice I made came with what I borrowed. My reflection, half saint, half sin. Street code stitched deep in my skin. Still write pain with a poet's pen. Still pray to youth, don't
Okay.
talking. Bentley's Park where we once got chased. Fine suits cover scars, time can't erase. But I'm grateful, every wound got laced with lessons that shape this paper I chase.
For every dreamer still trapped in a block. Don't let the concrete choke your growth.
Yeah. Concrete streets, broken dreams. Every block got a story, every corner got a lesson. I survived the nights that swallow hope. Let me take you there. Yeah. Born in the shadow of the high-rise blocks. Mama working double shifts, talking about stocks. Daddy never home, life's paradox. Grew up counting pennies, dodging cops. Lessons in the cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost. Turn my pain into bars, yeah, that's my sauce.
Eyes on the prize while the sirens sing. Life was a gamble every step of the way. Still I wrote my truth, let my soul hang. Concrete dreams in the city.
Okay.
Rise through the night.
Sorry about that slight interruption. So sorry about that. Okay, so we proceed. Definitely let us proceed. We see. Okay, Santos, I see you over there. How are you doing? Okay, let's go.
Some fell apart, some found the fame, some just left their mark. Money and respect never came the same. Learn that the streets don't play no game. Trust is fragile, loyalty to flame. Grew from the struggle, made it part of my name. Late nights, cold air, hard heavy, be steady. Grew wise from pain, at my grind ready. Every rhyme I spit, my past confetti.
Okay, guys, we are here. We are back. Sorry about that slight interruption, but here I am. Okay, so as I was saying, Santos, I see you over there. Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Joshua is in the building. Okay, then that is Generation. Hi, Generation. How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. So, was inquiring about the entry points. Okay, so I've that slight interruption just tried to take me off the beat, but definitely we are here to stay, right? We are here to stay.
Concrete streets whisper your name. Every corner got a story, every shadow got a claim. You survive by grinding, live by rhyme. Welcome to my world. The city shadows time. Born in the maze of brick and steel. Mama worked nights, daddy vanished like a deal. Pavement sermon, cold corners revealed. Life taught me young how to spin the wheel. Learn the art of patience. Streets don't care. Every block a teacher, every loss a prayer. Turn my pain to lyrics, heavy in the air. Snakes in the grass, friends turn foes. Still I kept my focus where the ambition grows. Night lights flicker, sirens compose. My story in bars, that's how life flows.
Okay, so let us move forward. Let us move forward. Right over there, we close in a plus. So let us pick the vibe. Ready to go. Ready to go. No time to waste. Okay.
Turn concrete nights into a lyrical suite. Enemies talk, but I move like a fan who learns silence is power. Every glance I ransom. The city molded me. Patience my anthem. Concrete dreams growing the struggles tandem.
City shadows, they rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets we sustain. City shadows, they rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets we sustain.
Now I'm looking down from rooftops at the skyline. Fame and fortune close, but my roots intertwine. Money don't erase nights that chill the spine. Still I spit truth in every line. Pour a little liquor for the lost, the ghost. Every triumph's haunted by the nights I chose. The crown feel heavy, but I strike like a dose. Concrete shadows taught me how to compose. Hustling hard, the formula I live by. Big dreams in the city where the weak say goodbye. Legacy written where the pavement slide. City shadows rise, kings never die.
All right, all right, all right, all right.
Shadows keep watching, Every king started small.
Okay, so as previously I was saying, I'm seeing people asking me about entry points, people asking me about the higher highs, the higher lows. So let us get into it such that at least we get a clear picture, or you at least know where to stand, all right? So first of all, I am using pure price action. That is my strategy for any trader. Most of for someone who is just beginning, I would encourage you, of the very, very many strategies there are, please always have yourself one that you feel comfortable in, that you know about, and you exactly know how it works. All right. So do not leave that part out. Always, always, always have a strategy on yourself. And then the other thing that I always talk about is risk management. Then also have a trading a plan. Have always things like be disciplined, patience, all that. So when we come back to our strategy, which is a pure price action, there are things that I always look out for. Okay. Then I also saw someone who asked me about the indicator. I think it was about the alligator indicator. That was before I got that interruption. So with pure price action, we are basically looking at market direction. With market direction, we look at which direction is this particular market taking. Okay, when we are in an uptrend, definitely there. When we bring in okay, market direction, that is the higher high, the uptrend and the downtrend. Okay, sideways, more so for someone who is a beginner, I would request that we first put that aside. Let us first concentrate on the higher highs. And sorry, I do not know why higher highs are so very much in my head today. All right, maybe I have to definitely talk about them. So we know very well that okay, let me first solve this.
Lessons in pain and struggle we dwell. Crown feel heavy, but I wear it well. Concrete forge kings, you can hear it in the yell.
Okay, so an uptrend, a downtrend, as we have said over there. So we know that the market does not move in a straight direction, or in a straight way. It keeps moving, it keeps moving up and down, but as it moves up, it's not straight that from up to down like that. So that's when we have the higher highs and the higher lows. Then on the downtrend, we also have the lower highs and the lower lows, all right? But that's where market structure comes in. Whenever we talk about the higher highs and the higher lows, just know their market structure comes in, and that's where those and there we are having that look at those strong points, all right? Those strong points to place in a trade. Not every higher high or every higher low drives you into entering the market. We look at those particular strong points for us to enter into the market. Okay, so what we look at when the market is moving in series of higher highs and the higher lows, and it's moving upwards. So there we know that we are looking for a strong point, and understanding that we look at that strong low that pushed the market to break the previous high, all right? And after the break of structure, that's when you anticipate a pullback. So after that pullback, definitely there you know that you can place in a trade that is for for the uptrend, all right? Then when we are looking at a downtrend, we look at market moving in series of lower highs and the lower lows. So to get a strong point, you need to understand the strong high, all right, that pushed the market to break the previous low. And after a break, of structure, there you anticipate a pullback. Okay, so that's how you also trade in a downtrend. So whoever is looking at the higher highs, just know that you have to look for those strong points, all right? Those strong points. Not every point is an entry point. And when we are trading, one thing you and me have to know is the fact that we always look at sorry about that. Okay, so as I was saying, we always trade with a trend. We do not trade against that trend. So if we are in an uptrend, plus in a buy trades. If we are in a downtrend as well, plus in. Okay. Okay, so Tavern over there, I've not seen you around today. I've not seen you around today, but let me hope you are okay. Thank you for sending in your donation. Okay.
Every block got a story, every shadow got a fight. You survive, you grind, you rise. Welcome to the streets, where kings are made. Yeah.
Raising the cracks, mama praying for life. Daddy gone missing, left me to fight.
Okay, so right now we are in an uptrend. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So we have closed at that. Tavern is requesting for 6 items. Oh goodness. All right. Let's take it. Okay, so over there I see that is David. Hi David, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Thank you for coming through. Javed, hi, how are you? Hope you're good. Lekala is in the building. Hi Lekala, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are okay over here. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing okay. Hope you have had yourself a beautiful day. How has it been? And let me hope you have tried so much. I know you can get busy, but let me hope you have looked at your charts today. And let me hope everyone who is in the comment section or who is watching, let me hope you have looked at your charts today, because one thing you should know or you should learn from me is the fact that each and every single day, even if you're not going to trade, take some time off and look at your charts, okay? Look at them. By the time you leave, you have definitely understood or learned something for the day. So let me hope you are not neglecting your charts. Keep looking at them. Keep looking at them and keep understanding them. Keep understanding them. If you are using pure price action like me, let me hope you are definitely doing so great with market structure, because over there we have the best points for the movements. Okay. All right, and there we close off our second attempt in a plus. So that simply means we have 4 more to go. Oh goodness. Okay, Ivan, I see you over there. How you doing? Hope you okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Just me. Hi, just me. How you doing? Hope you okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me hope you are doing great yourself. All right, Ivan says, let us fast plus in one over here. Okay. That is a beautiful one. That is a beautiful one. Okay, so we are saying, Ivan, I'm new here. So he is asking how I'm using the alligator indicator. Okay, so for the alligator indicator, it helps me so much in identifying the different signals. Okay, so as you see it there, it is giving us 3 lines. That is the green, the blue, and the red line. So for it, it helps me back up my strategy. Okay, so I have a strategy that I'm using, which is pure price action. So it helps me. Beautiful, beautiful. We are doing great. We are doing great. So let us keep it that way. We see. Today I'm doing so much to say that at least I close in a plus for the 6 attempts. Why not? Why not? Why not? So let us see. Okay, Amaka, hi. You started late today. Oh, my dear one, I actually did not start late today, but I got some interruptions there. So I had to restart it. Okay, I had to restart the session or the stream. Oh dear, no, 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 no. No. I do not like this. Ooh. So sorry, so sorry. That is tavern. Oh God, I do not like that. Okay, so tavern, we have closed in loss. We had moved so well. That is 350, still 6 atoms. Let's see. Okay. So it was just that interruption that actually took me back to restart the session. But I actually came through quite early today. Okay. But I'm so happy to have you around, Amaka Faith. Okay, Modsen is in the building. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing okay. So Modsen is asking how pure price, how it works. So whenever we talk about pure price action, there are two things that we always look out for. That is the market direction, all right? That is the market direction. There we are looking for what direction is the market taking. Is it in an uptrend? Is it in a downtrend? Or is it ranging? Okay, so we have a plus there. But we have 5 more items to go. Okay, so with the market direction, after that we also have market structure, which is very, very important. It's very, very important. It's actually the backbone. So whenever we talk about the market structure, if we are in an uptrend, then we look out for the higher highs, we look out for the higher lows, okay? Then definitely we look at the pullback as well. For someone who knows how to trade in a pullback, so whenever we are in a higher high, higher low situation, and then we experience a pullback, there you plus in a trade. If you are not so good with it when we experience a pullback, just know we are going to continue in that particular trend that we are in, okay? Unless otherwise, but on very many occasions, we continue in that particular trend that we are in, which is the uptrend in that case, okay? Then if we are in a downtrend, there we are looking at lower highs and the lower lows, okay? So definitely over there still, if we experience a pullback, we can place in a trade there. If we have a pullback and then we okay, right there, you just know that we are going to continue in that particular direction that we were in. Then we also look at the candlestick behaviors. So right, how are these candles behaving? Are we having a rejection? Are we having an engulfing candle? How is the momentum of that particular direction that we are taking? So when we talk about pure price action, those are the things that we look out for. Then when we come to the alligator indicator, as you see with these 3 lines over here, when the green line crosses the blue, the red and the blue line upwards, we are getting a signal that, hey, here we might be having a chance to place in a trade, okay? So but then when you get that signal, it does not mean that rush and place in a trade. That's why I first talked about what the strategy entails. These things work hand in hand. The indicator gives a hand or it backs up the strategy. Okay, so when you see what the indicator is doing, and then you have the confirmations of every other thing that I've talked about, that is the market direction, the structure, then the candlestick pattern as well, then there feel free to plus in a trade. And one thing you should not forget is we trade with a trend. Do not trade against it, all right? If you trade against it, then you are most likely to experience losses. The other thing we should always look at, we might have a clear setup, everything is on point, but then what goes wrong is the timing, okay? Timing. Look so much at the time and the point when you place in a trade. If you see an opportunity, please take it immediately. Please take it immediately. All right. If you hesitate, let it go. Because if you enter after that slight hesitation, then it's going to close in a loss. All right. So those are some of the major things that you have to look out for. All right. Okay, this or that. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Happy to have you around. Lekala, I see you, my dear. Hope you are doing okay. Lil Top, hi, how are you? Hope you are doing okay. This or that. Okay. 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 Look at us. Look at us. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We are definitely doing amazing. Okay. Why not? Why not? Okay. Hey. Let me take it slow. Oh my goodness, today I have it. Okay. Over there we are having Rahim. Hi, how are you? Thank you for coming through. Okay. All right, so if we are both on the OTC market chart, how is it different? If I'm on silver OTC, how is it different from yours? I don't understand, because they're supposed to be the same. They're supposed to be the same. Luck more. Hi, my brother. How you doing? I need my smile to remain on. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oof. Oh, no. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. That is Caldo over there, 352 atoms. little top. This is a pocket option. No, dear, it's not a secret. This is a pocket option. Pocket option.
We wrote our names in the concrete, read them like
Who has seen what Raphael has said? Who has said that? Oh my goodness.
Cause the price of survival.
This is crazy. Let me tell you one thing. If you are to marry me, I will definitely become the lady in this relationship or in this marriage, all right? So just know you have to take 100% care of me. No such thing of weekly allowance or what. No, 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 no. You have to do it for me, okay? So just know before you start off with that, before you start thinking of that, get down and get to trading, all right? Then there we shall be on the same page, okay? There I will be the lady, and you will find that to you, when I'm with you, I even act like I do not know how to trade because I want you to do everything for me, right? Okay. Okay, I'm saying this or that over there. Then I'm saying Ivan. Okay, let's have our last attempt.
Now I'm cruising past corners that still breathe ghosts. Old faces and murals, I raise my toast to the ones that
Okay, I love that spike.
page, we the antidote.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Whenever we are moving in the same direction, and definitely I get a spike, it already gives me those positive vibes that we are going to close in a plus. Okay. Oh goodness. Okay, Dennis is saying that those are not my words. Dennis, I see you over there. I see you. I see you.
Success got taste, but it came with ghosts.
Oh, but surely I come through, and definitely I do my very best. But what you people request me is definitely what I go with, right? What you people request me is what I go with. So
Carry them lessons like hidden scars.
Gift is also saying something. I see you, Gift, over there.
Became who we are.
Those are you guys' different requests.
Survivors.
Those are you guys' different requests. So you ask and I deliver.
Past was out of struggle.
Okay.
And the reflections of greatness. Ashes and ambition. That's the legacy.
Then Mutsin is still asking about the MACD. Oh my goodness. Today you guys are going to kill me. You guys are going to kill me. So Raphael,
Feel the weight of your city.
that is a true love to you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you. Actually, I would want a house where
Dreams, the gold schemes.
or actually a home where me and my husband, we are both traders, you know. So we become introverts together, making money. We go out once in a while. Do you know that traders are so very, very conservative people? You find that they are always, most of the times, they're indoors. Most of the times, they communicate with their chats, you know. There is a friend of mine that I have who literally communicates with her chats. If he has not looked at his chats for a day or for half a day, you look at him and you're like, guy, what's up? What's up? He looks sick, he looks stressed, he looks everything there is. He became so married to his chats. That's one thing I should say. So if Raphael, if you are looking for someone, if you are looking for someone like Lena, you also have to be a trader. I believe if the two of you are doing the same thing, there is a way things become quite easier. I don't know. That is my thinking. Because with that friend of mine, I was like, okay, if this one marries a trader as well, maybe things will be easy for them because they are speaking the same language. All right. That's why I said last time that we should we should have friends who are traders such that we speak the same language. Okay, so there we are taking it for just one attempt. Just one attempt. That's for Olen. Andrew says Raphael is an opportunist. Those are not my words. Those are not my words. Okay. So I see you guys over there. Okay. People are fighting for me. Raphael, people are fighting for me. People are fighting for me. Okay. All right. So when that is
No silver spoons, just paper plates and perks. So when they ask what kept me alive,
Mutsin, I see you over there. I see you over there. Do not worry, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. We are here together. You and me forever. All right. All right. Okay, so I do not know in my experience because okay, that is answering Mutsin over here. You will oh goodness, you guys, let me focus over here. All right. Because in my experience, let me tell you guys, I've seen traders. I have a brother who is a trader, and he married someone who is not a trader. When my brother makes losses in the market, the stress he has, the wife can't understand it. You get. So you find that they might even get into an argument because the wife is not understanding what the husband is going through. You get. But if you are both traders, then you tell someone that today's market was crazy, this and that happened, they might understand where you're coming from. But for someone who is not, I don't know. I think they might not get the picture of what is happening. Because there are times when my brother would make those big losses, and you see he really needed someone who understands exactly what he's going through. But what can I say? That is just through my experience. Do you know how happy that woman would be, or that in-law of mine would be, if they were both speaking the same language. The husband makes a big win, they celebrate together. They make a loss, they celebrate together. That is just my thinking. I don't know. I don't know. But you never know. Probably, maybe it also works.
Now I'm sitting in the coupe with the city in view, but the fame just
If
reminds me what the
you
pain could do. Still humble, still real, still pay my due.
are
Still fall for the ones that ain't make it through. Money don't mend with the nights that
both
saw.
not,
Never
or
felt
if
like
one
home
is
again.
and the other
I'm
is
built
not.
from the dirt. Designed
Okay.
for more. From the basement grind to the marble floor. Big spirit, small circle, no borders allowed.
All
Stay
right.
true to
We
the core,
see
make
you
the
over
neighbors
there.
proud. And when the curtains close,
Okay.
we can
Oh
play that
dear.
sound.
That is for our first attempt for Olen. Let us give it one more try and we see.
We all broken, but we still go.
Guys, let me concentrate here. I'm seeing you guys are taking me
That's how you roll. Broken
are
hearts and
taking me
scars.
360.
Peace.
You are driving me too fast. So let us have it here. Okay. Let's go.
Every block got its
We need to close in a plus. All right.
You don't earn respect in the light. You earn it in the dark when nobody watching. Let's get it.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So for Olen, requested for just one attempt, and we have closed in a plus.
Dreams cost blood, but the rules unwritten. Mama praying hard, bills never getting forgiven. And pops left early, I was self-driven. Fist full of nothing, but I wanted the most. Watch dealers play God, turn fiends to ghosts. Every lesson on the block was a heavy dose. Had to learn quick, loyalty close. Concrete jungle,
Okay,
I was
Pass
raised by
Bella
wolves.
over here is
Survival
saying which
of the
strategy
fittest, every
works
scar on my arm.
best for
Lessons
short
learned, tears
term
shed.
trades.
Pain I returned, it didn't
As
burn me, it
Lena over
hardened me.
here, I'm using pure price action. But we can share about it, we can talk about it, depending because we are all traders, we experience things differently, all right? You might find someone saying, support and resistance, you find the other saying another strategy. So guys, Pest Bella over here is asking which one, so let us know.
You could change your address, still feel that bite. Still hear them sirens in the dead moonlight. Old friends
Okay,
gone, pictures fade with time. Some lost to the streets, some crossed the line. But I walk with grace, every scar still shine.
all
Every scar a
right.
bright hill of crime.
Oh, the crown feel heavy tonight. Still I stand through the pain, through the fight. Every tear,
Okay,
every loss,
okay. All right, we are both, or we are all going to look into it. All right,
Fame got a price to
we
pay.
are going to look into it.
Top where the spotlight glows. Every handshake fake, every smile
Mutsen today has come for me. You have come for me.
to the
Today you are hitting direct on the bone. But thank you so much. You have made my day today. This is so amazing. Okay, so 500. That is for Gate 4 over here.
know the ice look bold, cause the crown ain't light. It's the way to go. Yeah.
That is Mohammed over there. My brother actually is a crypto trader. He is a crypto trader, so for him, he invests so much in the long term trades. He is not into what I'm doing now, which is a short term trades. All right, binary options. I am a scalper. He is a long term investor. So we are both in different categories. Okay, Justin is also present. So let us take this down. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we are taking it to 2K.
Every corner tells a story. Every shadow got a
All
lesson.
right.
You survive. You grind.
Raven, I see you over there.
Cracks where the cold wind
How you doing? Hope you are okay.
spit right. Daddy gone missing. Left me with the fight. Concrete jungle raised me sharpened on my sight. Hustle in my veins. Patience in my eyes. Friends switch to foes. Loyalty western like ties. Sirens sing lullabies. Dreams in disguise. Turn scars into bars. Now my rhymes rise. Cash curse. Ambition thick like syrup. Late night scheming. Corners full of murder. Block taught me truth. Pain taught me work. Shadows to the mic. Now watch me assault. We ride through the night. Walk through the fire. Chasing the light. Every scar. Every tear inside. Made us kings in the city tonight. Oh, we ride through the night. Walk through the fire. Chasing the light. Every scar. Every tear inside. Made us kings in the city tonight.
Roam through avenues, echo in the past. Graffiti walls whisper old hustlers cash. Some made it out, some shadows didn't last. Every choice precise, calculated, steadfast. Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest. Every loss a lesson, every win a test. Trust earned slow, loyalty expressed. Concrete force the king manifested in
Okay.
but I move like a ghost. Silence is my armor.
Something Justin here is saying I only use OTC when the regular market is closed. Okay. We all have our different ways of trading. We all have our different ways of doing things, and for as long as it's doing wonders for you, or as long as you are getting to where you want to be, I have no problem. I have no problem.
Struggle intertwined. Money don't erase, nice to chill the spine. Every bar I spit, every line divine. Every triumph on the nights I pressed on. Crown feels heavy, still I live strong. Concrete kings rise, legacy lives long. Hustling hard, the code I live by. Dreams in the city where weakness say goodbye. Every block I teach, every night aside. Brick of soul, wish
Okay, so Mary requested for just 2 attempts, and we have closed in a plus.
the streets speak, the shadows watch. Every corner, every struggle shapes the king in you. Brick of soul, we rise, we grind, we live. Yeah. Yeah. Concrete streets whisper your name. Every corner got a story. Every shadow got a claim. You survive.
Okay, that is Raven. How much should a beginner start with? And then that is Pest Bella over there responding. $20 enough to practice. Yeah, do not put in a lot. Do not put in a lot. For someone who is just beginning, put in something small, manage it. There you will definitely learn about risk. Like Best Bella is suggesting $20. Work with that and then see how the $20 work out for you. If you are doing great, then they will produce something and then you keep using that, like that. Slow but sure. All right. Muhammad, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Thank you for coming through. I see you over there. Justin. Just on, we are looking at 5 atoms. Okay, Andrew, thank you so much. All right, Woodson, were people getting out of hand? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. People are getting out of hand, but you know, when we are being serious about trading, it's also okay to have a few minutes to ourselves, to laugh, chat, right? Okay. Okay, that is Muhammad over here. Okay, so I always go live. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time every day. So just make sure to like and subscribe. Let us keep it here, all right? I do not want to leave you behind. Let us learn a few things here and there such that they improve. Why are you making losses? Every single entry. One, are we looking at the timing? Okay, because like I say, timing is very important. Are you placing in after spotting an opportunity? Do you take time thinking about it? Do you take time thinking about it? Or do you execute immediately? Okay, so with timing, we need to do it immediately. Then also, we need to look at your strategy, your trading plan, risk management. Like, we need to look at it all. So please keep coming through. As you see in the comment section, people are so active, people are so happy to always help. All right, so always come through. Let us see where we can help, and definitely we are all here to uplift each other. Okay, so no worries. Okay, Chilla is saying you're not replying to my questions. Where are we? Why aren't I seeing that? Okay, so Chilla said up here. Okay, that is as we proceed with Justin. We are just going in for our third attempt. Okay, so Chilla is saying alligator is the only indicator I use. No, my dear. I'm looking at two. That is the alligator indicator and the MACD. The MACD indicator. All right. Both are set at default. But it depends on the indicators that you want. Though on my end, looking at two indicators, it helps me so much in my confirmations, in my decision making, and following up on exactly what is happening. If the alligator indicator is telling me something, then I just throw an eye to the MACD, see exactly what is happening there. Then I proceed. Of course, with my strategy, these indicators are just giving a hand, all right? They're just giving a hand. But that is beautiful. So we have 2 more attempts to go. Okay, something. What's your strategy? I'm using pure price action. Pure price action. Andrew, I'm telling you, today is beautiful. Today is amazing. I'm loving it myself, and I do not know, but I do not want this time to run so fast because I want to be here forever with you guys. Okay, so we proceed over here. Okay, so people over here, we are looking at beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so for Justin, we have just one more attempt to go. Okay, so one of the mistakes that traders make, let me say, for beginners, all right. When we talk about binary options, all right. When we talk about binary options, you and me as beginners, we are going to believe that people are going to tell us they are very easy. You know, you just enter, get out, enter for as long as the expiration time ends, then you're out and you close in either plus or a loss. But the mistake we do is follow that, and then we forget the fact that we have to acquire information, we have to have the skill for us to be great traders, or for us to become, or for us to improve ourselves, or for us to become professional traders. All right. When someone tells you this, it's very, very simple, you know, it's very simple, and you go with that, that is going to be the biggest mistake that you've made as a trader. Get information, chat or talk to people, watch videos, you know, watch videos about binary options trading, learn, get information instead of blindly entering into the market. That is one of the mistakes that very many beginners make. All right. Okay. Okay. So Justin is encouraging people to actually look at a demo account, all right, before you go into the real account. With the demo, go through it, all right, have it. But then one thing I keep telling people is that do not stick to it for a very long time. Okay, do not stick to it for a very long time. Go through it just to master, to see the candlestick patterns, what happens when this and this is like this, what is like that. Then when you get into the real trading, that is when real life happens, all right? Because every trade you take should mean something to you, not just blindly entering and carrying out trades. If you are on a demo, you are trading something that is, or I should say, not real money, all right? So when you lose that money, it does not get to your heart. You are like, okay, I still have a lot of money here, so I will keep going, okay? But when it's real trading, that pierces to the heart. So that's why beautiful. Okay. I love that. I love that. So that is Justin over here. And thank you so much. You are giving in beautiful trading tips over here. And there we are. There we are. Okay. We have closed in a plus for Justin. Congratulations. Okay.
Concrete legends, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story we meet made us rulers of the city, undefeated because.
Okay, so the funny, I responded to you, Dennis. But with the tips that we share here, right, with the experiences that we share, you can definitely do it in your free time, right? All right. Thank you, Motsen. Okay. Okay. So let us proceed. That is Fräulein. Okay, Fräulein is saying, can you share your strategy? Okay, guys, let us do this together. All right, let us do this together. I'm going to request you. I'm seeing very many people who are asking about the strategy and all that. Tomorrow, let us come through early enough, okay? Because what happens is this, I always come in for 2 hours. The first hour is always for my personal tradings, and that's where I'm able to talk to you, give you the different tips, the uh, the experiences, we share experiences and all that, people send in their questions and all that. So what I'm requesting is that tomorrow come through early, that is 3 p.m. Canadian time. Come through early. Let us gather on time such that I take you through bit by bit about the strategy, all right? And any other questions that you will have. Because right now, if I am trading for these people who sent in their money for the donations, it a bit becomes difficult for me to focus and trade while I'm also responding or I'm answering about the strategy, because when I'm talking to someone about a strategy and I'm telling them how it goes and how I do it, I need to tell you something. Then after that, you find that maybe some people were left out at a particular moment. Then I have to recap for them, right? But if you come through early, then there we can do all that together, okay? So it's just a humble request for anyone who is asking about the strategy. Please tomorrow come through early, let us sit here, go through it, and then we shall all be on the same page. How do you say that? All right. So tomorrow, let's come in early and then we see how to go about it. Okay, that is Nsonji. That is okay. Let me hope I've pronounced that properly. Okay, then the funny also. Thank you, Andrew. That is a Fräulein. The same thing. Okay, so for the people that are asking about the strategy, it's a humble request. Okay, so that is Hosanna over there. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Okay. So let us do that tomorrow, and then we are all on the same page, you and me, all right? It's just a humble request, a humble request. We do that tomorrow, and then we proceed together, because at the end of the day, when I talk about pure price action, I want you to be able to understand what exactly I am talking about. So that for Millie, I'm taking it one attempt, 800 US dollars.
reflection in cracked screens, trying to paint peace in a city that lack dreams. Dice roll, corner store tales never end. Little man pushing packs just to feed his friends. Big change, small change, truth bend when it spins. Learn the cost of survival before learning to win. Concrete sermons, preachers with no quiet. Dreams expire where ambition
Just one attempt.
like scripture for the wire. Turn my pain.
And that is a beautiful one. Okay. Why not? All right. So we have closed in a plus. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations, people here. Raven, I'm seeing you. Pest Bella, excuse me. Pest Bella says, someone was asking about the indicators. Pest Bella says, RSI and moving averages work well together, right? So we all have different combinations. You find someone wants to use the zigzag, the fractal, someone wants to use, it all depends. It all depends. So Justin goes further and says the MACD is useful for trend confirmations. Okay, all right. I love it when we are here to expand on our thinking, on our knowledge. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Okay, so that is Agateful over there saying almost a year for me, honestly. Pesbella is saying, I think he is around 6 months of serious practice, but with trading, we keep it going, all right? We never stop. Even if you started getting the profits, please, we never stop. Keep being consistent, and that is what Getafy is saying here. Consistency takes patience and discipline. That is very true. Very true. If every single day you are going to come and look at your charts, that's why I said for someone who is a full-time trader, it's very easy. Every day you know, this is what I have to do, this is what I must do, you get. But if someone who is just a partial trader, you find that maybe the day has been taken up by a number of activities, then also the following day you find that you go days or even take a week minus looking at your charts. But if someone who is a full-time trader, you cannot have peace. I'm telling you the truth. You cannot have a peace until you have looked at your charts. Even if you're not going to trade for that particular day, but at least you look at them like they become part of you. They become part of you. I'm telling you, for someone and for anyone who is still learning, please. I think I love trading so much. One of the things, of course, the financial freedom, but after some time, I fell so much in love with trading that I could not stay away from it, right? So I am that person right now. So if if other goes minus trading, maybe I have some personal stuff to deal with, to handle. You are in that particular place handling whatever is supposed to be handling, or you're having some personal family issues and all that. But my mind is like, oh God, how are my chats? What is happening there? What is going on? All right. So when you do something that you love, I believe you get self driven as well. No one pushes you. No one pushes you. All right. Okay, so 350, that is three atoms. All right. It really gets me so happy whenever I come here, and the people who are in the comment section are the same people that I'm trading for. It makes me so happy. Okay, so I've traded for Justin, Millie over there as well. So right now I'm seeing Raven as well. Okay, so today I've not seen Lay, I've not seen Hyper, but they sent in their donations. Okay. Over. All right, so definitely on my YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel. I always go live. That is 3 p.m. All right. Okay, so Moredi. Hi, Moredi. How you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How has been your day? How is your day going over there? We are so happy and excited to have you around. Okay. Okay, so let us proceed and we see. Okay. Let's go. All right. Oh, okay. I did not change that to 15 seconds. Left it in 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. Beautiful. Still closes in a plus. Okay. Okay. Video track. Who has seen video track in the building? Hi, video track. How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. So there we are. Video track is in the building. Okay. Okay, how are you, my dear? How are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you around. Okay, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. So, we are definitely, as you know, our timings. We are now in the donations and we are getting there. Let me fast put this back to 15.
see fade in the fame dimension, but I keep that biggie essence. Slow perfection, each verse.
All right, I'm ready. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing as always. Today has been an interactive session. People have been so amazing today. Trust me, I've laughed today. I've laughed so hard. And why not? Why not? Why not? Okay. Mutsin over there. It's amazing. It's okay. Okay, Pius, all the way from Nigeria. Hi, how are you? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. All right, I see all my people. That is Kazim. Hi, Kazim, how you doing? Tala, I think it's Talo. Hope you're okay. Okay, Freilan, all the way from the Philippines. Hi, my beautiful people of the Philippines. Well represented by Freilan. Happy to have you around. Today I've not seen Carlos. Beautiful. That is a plus for us. Just one more attempt to close it. Okay. Ooh, oh dear. Okay, so over there we have broken below, and definitely the buyers, the sellers, have coughed us out of the market. Okay, so there we close in a negative. I'm telling you, video track, people are so amazing today. People are so active, and I love it. That is Zell, 1,400 US dollars, one attempt. Okay, that is beautiful. We have closed in a plus. Today is so amazing. I'm telling you, my brother, so amazing. That is Froilan. I'm so happy to be with you too. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through.
Every corner got a lesson. I survived the nights to swallow hope. Let me take you there. Yeah. Born in the shadow of the high-rise blocks. Mama working double shifts, talking about stocks. Daddy never home, life's paradox. Grew up counting pennies, dodging cops. Lessons in the cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost. Turn my pain into bars, yeah, that's my song.
Eyes on the prize while the sirens sing. kings in the city tonight.
Now the block whispers secrets in the dark. Every hustle measured, every move a spark. Lost some brothers, some fell apart. Some found the fame, some just left they mark. Money and respect never came the same. Learn that the streets don't play no game. Trust is fragile, loyalty to flame. Grew from the struggle, made it part of my name. Late nights, cold air, hard heavy. Be steady, grew wise from pain. At my grind ready. Every rhyme I spit, my past confetti. Concrete dreams turn gold, holding the metal.
Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glowing, we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear inside made us kings in the city tonight.
Okay, so we are looking at 3,500. That is for Raven. Raven is so active today. Thank you. Thank you for keeping around. And thank you for your donation.
Concrete dreams live forever in my song. We built from dust, sweat, and prayers. Every block, every struggle made us aware. Concrete dreams ain't just survive. It's how we thrive. Concrete streets whisper your name. Got a story, every shadow got a claim. You survive by grinding, you live by rhyme.
Okay.
Born in the maze of brick and steel. Mama worked nights, daddy vanished like a deal. Pavement sermon, cold corners revealed. Life taught me young how to spin the wheel. Fists full of dreams, pockets almost bare.
Okay, that is Raven. So sorry about that. We closed in our lows.
Snakes in the grass, friends turn foes.
Sorry about that.
Ambition grows. Night lights flicker.
Okay, so lay that is 350 and 3 attempts. Let us watch the market closely. Okay. That's very true, video track. Let me tell you, today people came with information, people came fully loaded, you know. So just know I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Today has been an amazing session and it still is beautiful. So we have 2 more attempts to go.
Enemies talk, but I move like a fan who learns silence is power. Every glance I ransom. The city molded me.
Okay.
Concrete dreams, growing the struggles tandem.
City shadows, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets we sustain. City shadows, we rise from the pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Every scar, every tear we retain. Made us kings in the streets we sustain.
Now I'm looking down from rooftops at the skyline. Feeling fortune close, but my roots intertwine. Money don't erase nights that chill the spine. Still I spit truth in every line. Pour a little liquor for the lost, the ghost. Every triumph's haunted by the nights I chose. The crown feel heavy, but I strike like a dose. Concrete shadows taught me how to compose. Hustling hard, the formula I live by. Big dreams in the city where the weak say goodbye. Legacy written where the pavement slide. City shadows rise, kings never die.
Okay.
The streets keep talking. The shadows keep watching.
That is beautiful for Lay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Raven still proceeds to give us okay. What is going on here? Okay, so let me see. Okay, I think I stopped at Froilan from the Philippines. Then we have Sagami. What is your time zone? Looking at that is Eastern time zone. I believe so. Okay, let me see.
My days never sleep, we rise through the ground. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every crime.
Okay.
In the city, all the time. Our streets never sleep, we rise through the ground. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb. Made us kings in the city, over time.
Now I move through avenues, echo in the past. Graffiti lessons, old hustlers cast. Some made it out, some shadows didn't last. Every choice I make, calculated, steadfast. Late nights, cold corners.
Okay, so we look at the Eastern Daylight Time.
Stern slow, loyalty
Eastern
expressed.
Daylight Time.
I manifest. Enemies plot, but I stay like a phantom. Silence is gold,
Okay.
words of my ransom. Block raised me tough, pain made my anthem. Concrete dreams alive, no fear to
All
ransom.
right, all right. I always love it when
Every tear, every climb. Made us kings in the city, all the time. No streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every time. Made us kings in the city, over time.
Okay, so my beautiful people, thank you so much for today. It has been an amazing session. It has been a beautiful one. So, why not prepare for tomorrow? And then we come here, enjoy ourselves. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Written with a street life gleam. Big dreams born in the city's extreme. Every night a battle, every day a scheme. Streets never sleep, we just chase the dream.